I was thinking for a bit, right? And what I realized made me really, really uncomfortable. What I was thinking about was if I keep living like everyone else, doing what everyone else is doing, I will end up like everyone else. And truly, if you think about it, most people aren't even respected in this world. They're just invisible to my eyes, to anyone's eyes. They're just average. And that's when I started asking myself what actually needs to change if I don't want to live that life, if I want to live life on my own terms. Because most people are living on autopilot, sadly, and they choose comfort over growth every single time. And that leads to being average, to be ignored, to be invisible. Let's say average 20, 21 year olds to an example. What are they doing in daily? They're chasing dopamine. They wake up late. The first thing they do in the morning, and I know that because I've been there myself. They wake up late. They check their phone first thing in the morning. What do? They check Snapchat. They check Instagram, TikTok. They scroll for an hour. They scroll for an hour before they get out of bed, and that's crazy to me. And I'm very happy that I'm not doing it anymore, because yeah, just it's not great, and I think you know it yourself. And what else? They're chasing dopamine every single time. They're probably working some shit ass job like Walmart or I don't even know, Tesco. They're just waiting for that 30-minute break for when the boss allows them to do what they want. And what do? They scroll. They're chasing Fridays, Saturdays, they're chasing the weekends, the summer. Why? Because that's when they're free. That's when they can escape reality. And yeah, when I realized that, I actually stopped chasing attention and I started chasing respect. I wanted to become a man that was respected from, yeah, by anyone. Because respect comes from doing things that are hard to do, the things that people aren't normally doing. For example, David Goggins. Why is he respected? Do you know? Of course, because he's running like fucking 100 miles with a broken foot. He was 300 pounds and he dropped down to 100 to become a Navy SEAL. Like, it's super crazy what he has done. And why did he become respected? Because he did what nobody else in his position weren't doing. And that's why I made 4 rules for myself that I will share with you today. And yeah, if you remember one thing from this video today, make sure that it's these 4 rules. Take a pen and paper, write it down on your notes, on your, I don't even know, forehead. No, not forehead, but yeah, you understand, just write it down somewhere. So rule number 1 is to do hard things even when you don't feel like it. I'm 18 years old, right? And I make around 5k per month now consistently. And how did I get to this position? Because it's pretty good. Like, it's not my end result, but it's pretty good for average people. Why? Because I did what nobody else was doing. I took a risk. I just threw myself into it. I woke up at 6 a.m. I did 1000 push-ups in 2 hours because I didn't hit my daily targets. I woke up at 5 a.m. and started running for like a month straight. Why? Because no one else was doing it. Number 2, train your body because physical presence matters. Let's say you're opening a door, you're going inside, and you're a tall, handsome, strong man. of course everybody's going to notice you, everybody's going to look at you. Why? Because you give off that aura. Like, it's hard to explain, but it's just like that. My rule number 3 is you need to start making money, because responsibility builds and comes with confidence. Let's say when I'm going to scale up to 10, 20, 30k per month, I'll probably have someone on my team, right? Let's say if I have 2, 3, 4 guys depending on me, or even one guy depending on me, I will show up both for my own sake and for his sake. And it's pretty deep topic. I'll probably make another YouTube video about it, but when you actually do the things you say you're going to do, like, it builds the confidence. It's such a simple thing, but it's crazy how much confidence you get from it. And number 4, so last and not least, it's you need to stop waiting for a perfect opportunity to start. You just need to go forward. You just need to run like someone is behind you with a knife. You just need to throw yourself into it. Because if you start something new, you're probably going to be bad at it. Not probably, but you are going to be bad at it. And the faster you fail, because you're going to fail and you're going to fail multiple times, the faster you fail, the faster you will learn, the faster you climb the ladder, and the faster you will achieve the dream life that you want. Alex Hormozy, for example, he had 9 businesses that failed, and he still kept going. He didn't wait for the right opportunity to start. You just need to throw yourself into it. And yeah, on this channel I will be basically documenting the real process and sharing with you all the tips and tricks that I learned on the way of becoming someone that you actually respect, that other people respect, and I will do it step by step for you. So if you even felt a little bit aligned with me or liked the video, so I would appreciate a subscription and even a like. It would be good.